the fuck do you want? Got nothing better to do, hey? Bored. So you've been isolated for 3 weeks, right? Well, let me tell you, I've been isolated in this fucking cage for 17 miserable fucking years. And you've got the audacity to call me lucky. All I get's a few sunflower seeds every now and then, and some water. No iPhone, no Wi-Fi, and no fucking alcohol. You lot can't even cope without toilet paper. Just wait till you have to let your shit pile up in the bottom of your cage. And you'll wonder why I get cranky some days. I've got 2 words for you. Fuck off.